Recently, Raspberry Pi have released a VS Code extension for working with their Pico products. It works with MicroPython and C. Let's take a look. Okay, in Visual Studio Code, we need to go to extensions and search for it. And you can see at the top there, Raspberry Pi Pico. We click install. And we wait for it to install. And once it's installed, we can use it. It's that simple. So you can see we've got a Create Pico project now, and we can see the Pico connected here. And we have various options. Documentation's built in to the extension, so we can look at all the documentation. The only thing I would like them to add here is a dark mode. Doesn't seem to be an option. Please subscribe and like this video for more videos like this in the future. This is interesting. We create a project here called Blinky. We're all familiar with the Blinky example, but what this seems to do is it will search and somewhere online and actually put the code in for you. So I don't actually type this code in. This is a new project and Blinky is created for me. So what we'll do now, we'll go down the bottom here and click run, and you can see the LED is blinking on the Pico 2. That's the Jumbo Pico 2, in case you're wondering. And that's it. This is a welcome update to Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to enjoy using it. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments below, even if it's just leaving an emoji to help me with engagement. And until next time, you've been watching RaspberryPi.